temperatures, no known settlers. 2 moons pulling us across this development. We crash laying into it, interesting predicament. Look, it's official, I'm an alien, skating cross space, dodging junk from impaling them. And then I lost trace from the system that's been failing them. The ship's now spiraling, the crew's not panicking. I don't wanna fear those heights. See me as I flow right by ya, running at the speed